Welcome back. Just a quick video to show how I'm going to be mounting these 6 panels up on the roof of my Riverstone Legacy. This is one that's complete on this end, and these are going to be pivot mounts. This is what's going to lay on the roof and attach through the bottom of this. And I'm going to have some actuator rods that come across. Got one of those over here to do automatic tilt with. I'm going to try and configure it so that it's positioned in a place where I can do either side. With these speed nuts on here, I should be able to take those off on one side and have that rod lifted. And well, that'll come up in another video. Here's how I got these mounts so far. Working in tight quarters in here, but I pre-drill the holes to match, and then I got some rib nuts in here that you can see underneath there with that nifty tool right there. You can put these rib nuts in, and this is what's going to become the base pivot. The way it's going to sit. And I got a lot more to go. Plus all the bottoms need to be done. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.